So the first presentation tool I used was Piktochart, which I found to be very easy to use, and I was very happy with how the presentation turned out. I was able to insert or add anything I needed or wanted. So for starters, I was able to add these little images, like this little button and this little button, and I was able to um, add text into the spot. So this getting started, I added, and I was also able to add text boxes and then these little transitions, um, and then as well as adding these little graphics that I got off the internet. And again, I added everything onto here. So like for this, that's not a good example. For this like 3, I had to make a 3 and then add the little box and then a bunch of things like that. And for, here's the rest of it. And for my second example, I used Prezi, which I found would be more useful with older students because it's more direct and organized. So in the beginning, I was able to add these little sections and place them wherever I wanted to. And then there are these little subsections. And for this particular topic, I found it more useful to use these arrows for certain areas. For example, this metric prefixes, and then for my little conversions chart I made. And then along with these little sections, I was able to add subsections right here. And within the subsections, I could add like little practice problems. Or in this example, I was able to add more depth into my lesson.